Hello everyone, my name is MD Arifujwan Babu. I am very happy to be here today. I am professional digital marketer who loves helping people and business grow online. Uh, I started my journey 3 years ago. 3 years ago, because I was always curious about how the internet connection people with brands. I wanted to learn how online advising how online marketing worked, how social media, Google and ads uh, can help business reach the right audience. At the beginning, I learned step by step how to create social media post and social media post, how to write good content, and how to use SEO bring traffic uh, to website day by day. I improve my skill, and soon I start helping others with their marketing goal. Now I work different types of clients, small business staffs, and sometimes international company. I help them build their online presence, increase website visitor, and grow their sale. I mostly focus on three areas: social media marketing. I create and manage social media marketing, social media marketing, and the ad campaign that affect real people and build trust with their brands. But trust for brand, the SEO, but search engine optimization. I help website rank higher on Google so that more people can find them easily. Online advertising, I design and run ads on Facebook, Instagram and Google to bring more customer and better result. What I love most about digital marketing is that it's a mix of creativity and data. You can use your idea to make amazing content, and at the same time you can use data to see what really works. It like a perfect balance between art and logic. I always to keep learning, because digital marketing changes every day. New tool, new trend, new strategies. There are always something to discover. Bring learning, never step and that work what keeps and motivate. My goal for a future is to grow as a global digital marketer. I want work with international brand, share my knowledge, and help people build their online success stories. To describe myself in few words, I am passionate and hardworking, and always focused and result. I love teamwork, honesty, and creativity, because I believe those those are the keys to success in the digital world. Thank you. Thank you so much for listening to my story. I really appreciate your time and look forward to connecting with you all soon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.